Here we have a 2018 18-plate BMW 330e M Sport Shadow Edition. This car does come with four 19-inch unmarked, unscratched alloy wheels, complemented by the blue brake calipers just behind. We have got the M Performance kit on this vehicle, which includes the front splitter just here, as well as some other bits you'll see shortly. We've then got the black kidney grille and LED lights just out at the front. Here's another look at one of those alloy wheels. Now if we take a step back, you'll see we do have a charging port just there. That's due to this vehicle being a hybrid, so you will get ultra low running costs when driving this about as well. We've then got the privacy glass with black trim around the windows, black extended side skirt just there, and the shark fin antenna with eDrive badging. Here's a look at the third alloy wheel. Now as we come to the back, you'll see we've got a black spoiler lip just there. We've also got front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle, and there's black diffuser with twin exit exhaust there as well. Now you'll see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Here's the last alloy wheel. If we go inside the vehicle, we have got full leather throughout. Here we've got a fold down armrest with two good sized cup holders. We've then got ISOFIX points in the seats, as well as storage nets behind the front seats and 12-volt connectivity in the middle there. On the doors, we've got the leather trim with blue stitching, brushed metal handle, electric windows, integrated speakers, and some extra storage just on there as well. Now in the front, we've got the full leather again, which looks incredible. Stepping inside, we've got electric windows just here with electric wing mirror control, brushed metal handle, the leather and blue stitching with the integrated speakers. And I will add that these are premium operated Harman Kardon speakers, which sound incredible. If we start the car up, foot on the brake, very quiet with it being a hybrid. You'll see the vehicle has covered just over 35,900 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We do have one orange exclamation mark just there, but that is due to the vehicle currently having small amounts of fuel. Now I'll turn that down. We've got the automatic lights just down here, got auto wipers here, and the auto high beam assist there as well. Then we've got the multifunctional steering wheel with speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls and volume controls with paddle shifters for taking manual control as well. Then we've got our infotainment system. So at the moment you've got the navigation screen. We've then got media with DAB radio, USB, CD and Bluetooth connectivity. We've then got phone connectivity, and if we put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we do have the front and rear sensors just there. We also have different driving modes we can flick through, so we've got Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sports Plus. Then if we make our way down, we have our stereo controls with traffic alerts, dual climate zone controls to control each side of the vehicle's temperatures independently, as well as air conditioning. We've then got some storage just down here with two good sized cup holders and 12-volt connectivity. There's a gear stick, traction control button, mode select, button for the parking sensors, and an eDrive button as well. We've then got a control wheel and touchpad for controlling the infotainment system, and the leather armrest just here, which also doubles up as storage. Now I will just show here on the menu, just if we go across here to notifications, that arrow is purely just for the low range. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, fresh MOT, and is also HPI clear. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of a 2018 BMW 330e M Sport Shadow Edition. The purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. I'll also talk about some of the vehicle's functions and show you them in demonstration. So cruise control, press the button, flick the switch up, and we're now sat at 56 miles an hour. I can also demonstrate some gear changes for you using the paddle shifters. So currently in 6th gear, down into 5th, down into 4th, and back up to 5th, back into 6th. As you can tell from my body movements and the surroundings outside, there was no jerky movements, completely seamless transitions, no knocks, no bangs, just everything working as it should. I'm now approaching the roundabout where I'll be taking a left turn, as if you were here with us today. The vehicle is a hybrid, so you will have ultra low running costs when driving this about. It's also a very nice place to be in here. We've got the full Dakota leather seats, premium uprated sound system, and all of your modern features on the stereo as well, like Bluetooth, phone connectivity, navigation, DAB radio. So it's a really nice place to be. Could happily do 200, 300, 400 miles in this vehicle with ease. We have been doing deliveries at RS Car Sales for the past 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last year and a half. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge effect on many businesses, and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared. So we have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly, and they are now contactless. And what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, sanitize the keys, and just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself. We are a 5-star dealership. If you look online, you'll see we've got way over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Auto Trader alone, and many more on other sites such as Car Gurus. If you look at these reviews, you will see that people really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a great buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your families, and even come back for your next vehicle purchase when the time is due. I'm just about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake and put the vehicle into reverse to show you everything works as it should. So I'll perform an emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. As you can see, very sharp brakes, perfectly working. Into reverse, no problems there. We have got the front and rear parking sensors there as well. So this is where you'd usually be incredibly happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what deal you can work out. Obviously that isn't possible at the moment due to the COVID-19 situation. However, feel free to get in touch. We do welcome part exchanges. Just let us know the make, the model and the condition of that vehicle. But yes, if there's anything else we have missed in either the online photos, the video walk around, or the driving review just here as well, get in touch and we'd be more than happy to do a FaceTime video call with yourself, walk around the vehicle, show any specific components, answer any specific questions, and really just show you what the vehicle has to offer. But until then, that's all from me, and we'll hopefully hear from you soon.